What's happening here, Carol?
Well, take a look at what's happened with weather. How the makeshift cover has been destroyed, so we have to do another one.
Jincy, get off my feet.
So I'm going to take this off, try to fix it where I can use it a little bit more. Yeah. I need a whisk broom or something, really clean it out.
So what's the procedure that you're using for this?
Beg your pardon?
What's the procedure?
What's the procedure? You're supposed to clean it and then put it back together and put bird seeds in it. This is the inner part.
What's your tool that you're using?
Broken off piece of the picnic table. I don't know how much longer the table's going to stay. It's probably going to fall.
It's about rotted out.
It's probably going to fall one day. Like the squirrels have been chewing on that. Something has. Not Jincy. I feel good since I had that.
Uh-oh, Jincy's gonna get the bubble pack.
Look at that. That's not doing right.
Jincy's got the bubble pack.
Look at that. Not part of my plan. Difficult work.
Well, it's specialized.
Yeah. That's just a start now. I need to put some more on it. Hold it. Before I put the bubble wrap on. This is double.
Here it is.
This is double. And what did I do before? Yeah, I've forgotten how I did it. To keep it on. I think I went under here with it. So I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm doing. Because I don't think it's going to stay on unless I go underneath. And now I've been smart and I've taped it up. I think that'll do. You notice that I'm tying it in a bow so that when I want to fill it with bird seed, I can take it off. And if it has a knot in it, it will be more difficult.
Especially if you have gloves on.
Now I'm going to go get the bird seed put in here, then I'm going to tie up the other side. should be very happy with what I'm doing for them.
Well, I know they're going to like the bubble pack.
They're used to the bubble pack.
They like it.
Maybe it'll stay on. Maybe that'll work for a while. Might keep the rain out. Okay, we're ready to go hang it. And see what the first visitor will be. Okay, birds.